Are you trying to stream or record Valorant with OBS, but game capture just shows a black screen or makes your game lag? You're not alone. This issue started with OBS 31.0 due to a conflict with Riot Vanguard. But don't worry, I'll show you the fix. Let's get started. The reason OBS game capture is failing is because Riot Vanguard blocks OBS 31.0's new digital signature. This prevents OBS from properly hooking into Valorant's game process, resulting in a black screen or severe lag. Riot hasn't officially fixed this, so we need a workaround. The best way to fix this issue is by downgrading OBS to version 30.2.3. Here's how you can do it. Uninstall the current version of OBS. Click the link to the official OBS repository on GitHub in the description and download the Windows installer. Make sure to select version 30.2.3 and install OBS 30.2.3. Your game capture should now work perfectly, and that's it. If this helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more OBS and streaming fixes. See you in the next video.